Hello traders, welcome back to my daily breakdown. In this one, it's gonna be a short one. Um, I'm gonna tell you what I see for Friday and what's the sign and the signals I saw today on SPX. Just remember, we don't have trading on Thursday, and Friday 1 p.m. is when the market closes. So I did my quick research on the Thanksgiving breaks for past 3 years. The day before Thanksgiving is always very slow. There's not much activity involved in trading. And on Friday, for the past 3 years, 3 out of 3 market tend to go up on Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. So in this case, this Friday most likely is going to be another small bounce. Let me tell you why. So on Monday we had a gap. On Tuesday we had another gap. And until Wednesday we had a small dead cat bounce. But it bounced and then at the end of hour sold off because of the profit taking and all the day traders. So what would happen on Friday? We're going to have another dead cat bounce to 2680, which is this line I drew right here. This is the next quick resistance I see because this gap ought to be filled. And based on history, all the gaps are going to be filled in it's just a matter of time. So this gap is going to be filled. On Friday, we could retest this area right here. And then next week, sell off. We are below the 200-day moving average, so just be cautious buying a call in the long term or buying a stock in the long term. So SPX Friday, we're going to have another bounce to the upside, 2680. So one thing that I look for a opportunity to buy puts and short is Microsoft. Why I say that? Because Microsoft hasn't been beaten down yet. Look at Apple beat down, Amazon beat down, Nvidia beat down, Tesla beat down. What we have? We have Facebook beat down. So Microsoft is still at almost its all-time high. All-time high of this year 108. We are just at 103. So not much of difference compared to the other tech sectors. So Microsoft in a long term, by December, is going to have a beat down by shorters and people who going to get puts because Microsoft, I think only one or two remaining of the tech sectors that need to come down more because this is a very strong hold and it's gonna come down. It's going to consolidate and then fall off eventually. So onto the SPY. 267 was the very nice support. I mean the resistance today, and we never passed that. We opened Monday 274 and then gap, and today we have a little dead cat bounce, and then after hours, at closing hours, boom, all the way down. Why is that? Again, day traders, people taking profit. Friday we should have a retest to 267 or even 268. If there's a very nice rally and we can hold through by 10 or 11 a.m. Again, market closes at 1 p.m. on Friday. So if we have puts and calls, try to get rid of it because you don't want to hold over the weekend, especially the G20 summit is next Friday. So a lot of people will be anticipating the result and staying away from the markets. I'm out. Have a nice Thanksgiving break. I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.